Is it going? Okay, there it goes. Now it's going.
Oh,
So yeah, maybe you're right. Maybe it just ran out of space. But that's a weird time for it to. Yes, it ran out of space. I forgot how to English.
You Englished incorrectly. I'm sorry. Your English was not high enough.
Yes, I need to level up my Englishing.
You need a grammar schematic.
Grammar schematics so I can craft some English.
Yes. Oh man.
You know what's sad? That makes too much sense.
It does.
Crafting English. So, I don't know exactly how much I missed with this thing, because I was too busy fiddling with the dang camera, and somebody didn't want to wait.
Hey, that worked. I can see the subtle readout. Wait, hang on. I'm going to try and start her up.
She's gonna turn her on.
Wow. There we go. It's out.
Okay. I'll head up the refuel shuttle. You can try restarting it after that.
No need to quiet that joke up if it's been released out in the wilderness. Okay, how much stuff did you find? You found nothing.
Aw.
Congratulations.
Did it return to you?
No.
Okay. So how did you get it back the first time?
I don't know, I think it was like an auto dealio.
Oh, it was all like, well, my inventory is full, so I'm just gonna report back to you.
Maybe at the end of the area, and I go to the bench, it'll automatically be there. It'll be like a pickup.
Maybe.
Like, pick up your kids from daycare.
Oh god, no. If you're gonna leave your kids at daycare, leave some ammo too.
Yeah. I need the ammo, parents.
Need the ammo, guys.
Oh crap, I have to go. What? You want to...
Are you sure you're objectiving right?
My objective is not standard. Okay, when it wants me to go up, it wants me to go down.
Yeah, just go up first and then go down later, I guess. After you figure out what's up there.
Oh.
See? I don't know. That arrow seems unreliable.
Oh.
Whoops! Damn it, Jimmy. Man, that's a shotgun.
Or
Holy crap, that is
someone.
a shotgun.
I know, right?
Reload.
And I think it has stasis on it too.
A shotgun with stasis. Oh,
Look.
that is terrifying.
I don't know who to test it on because...
You left those guys downstairs.
Oh. I don't know if it has stasis. Maybe it's just stasis powers it.
Maybe the guy equipped stasis to it.
Ew. What is that?
You don't want to know. It's behind closed doors for a reason.
Yeah. We leave it back there for a reason? Don't ask.
What is that disgusting sound? Don't ask. Trust me, just don't ask questions you don't want to know the answer to.
That's what it was.
Holy crap! Dude. He got obliterated.
Shotgun rain.
Oh.
Amen.
He got the uppermost form of wrecked.
I don't even know if that was like a thing that people can achieve.
Apparently it is. Get
Music.
the uppermost form of wrecked.
Music cued.
And impaled.
Wow.
Oh wow, that was delayed. Oh, here comes another one. Sit down.
Sit down and shut up.
Sit down, Carl. Wait your turn. Wait till I'm done dealing with Carl first. Well, half a Carl. Jimmy! Knock it off!
Is it like losing its umph. There. No umph lost.
Maybe it's because you're aiming towards a center mass, and that's no longer a valid thing.
For these things.
Yeah.
Here,
Like,
how about I
usually if you aim towards, usually in like other games you aim towards center mass and it's like the most effective thing for a shotgun, but that's against living people. These things, not so much, especially when their limbs are their weak points, so maybe aiming towards their, maybe towards like their waistline is more effective. Yes, aim for their crotch. That'll be super effective. Do they even have a crotch? You know what? No, second thought, no, I don't want to know. I don't want to know.
Don't go there.
I don't want to know.
Don't. Nope. It's okay. They don't need one. No.
Oh, when was the window opened?
I opened it.
Oh.
It was getting way too hot.
I was like, I know it started feeling breezy, but I was like, it didn't really occur to me that the window was open.
Oh. Just like, what is happening? Object added. Object complete. Wait for the fuel line. I can't. Have you seen what's on the ship?
Have you seen what he's been dealing with for the past half hour here? There you go.
Oh, looks like you were holding out on me.
Dang it, Jimmy. Quit holding out on me.
Come on. Fuel faster.
Seriously.
Scavenger bot waiting at bench.
Oh, so it tells you when it's over there.
Yeah.
Neat.
Come on. Oh! He really wanted to give me a surprise party.
Nah, I think he just wanted to ask you a question.
Oh. Man, I wish I had one of those axes.
Which raises a question. Why is all of them carrying an axe?
Because...
Literally all of them are carrying an axe. And not just one axe. Two.
Yeah, that's a bit much, man.
Seriously, where did you get these?
Everywhere.
Where on an engineering ship would you get...
Aren't they miners, though?
A pickaxe would make sense, but these are legit, like, battle freaking axes.
Yeah. These are
not...
These are melee.
Yeah, these are not the kind of axes you go mining with. These are the kind of axes you chop limbs off with.
Hey, you don't know what I mine with. Maybe I mine trees.
With a Gatling gun.
Yeah.
Mine trees with a Gatling gun. Maybe I chop up rocks with a tomahawk.
Yeah, maybe my... Oh.
Well, time to go.
I don't even know.
Time to go.
Okay, I don't
Time to
know
go.
where I'm going, but I'm going. Going to the go-go.
Going to the go-go-go.
And when that music cues, it's time to just GTFO.
Holy sh...
Really?
Please burn them, please burn them, please burn them. Yes! Haha! Yes.
You good?
Doesn't matter, you should probably go before you end up like that.
Well, I don't even...
That way. Not that way. That way. Not that way. That way. And go. Go, 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 go.
Shut up.
Move it, Jimmy. One side.
Oh!
You probably could have stasised him and had the thing torch him.
I wasn't even thinking. I was just like, nope. Aww. Looks like you didn't make it, bud. Too late. I don't even know.
Oh God.
Okay. This way. Why am I supposed to be going up? Oh.
Elevator.
Hey.
Are you serious right now? Dang.
GTFO.
He even sat him down.
Yeah.
Oh
Hey.
God. It didn't keep him down.
What? Okay.
Don't it?
See you later. You know,
He
that's
just, like,
fine.
straight up ignored you.
I don't need the stress today. So thank you.
That's okay. That's
Being
okay.
You know, when monsters are considerate.
You got too much shit to do.
Oh.
Oh man.
Oh no. That's the thing.
Oh
Hey.
crap. He's inconsiderate. He's inconsiderate. Oh dang! You missed your exit. Stuck between the hot place and the thing. Go 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 go.
What?
Why is it locked? It should not be locked right now. Is it open?
No.
Why is it not open? Why is it locked? Oh, elevator. Elevator, elevator, elevator.
What?
Doesn't matter. Anywhere but here.
The airlock door is stuck. If the shuttle launches right
Oh.
Son of a bitch!
I was supposed to go down there.
I'll check the gears.
Really?
Oh man.
I was almost out of here. There's too much crap to be going on.
Seriously.
I can't even see because it's so...
Ugh.
Yeah. There's too much fire.
It's too much fire. Everything's burning. Everything's on fire. Even the fire's on fire. Nothing makes sense. And the
Hey.
thing keeps coming after you, and it's like you just want it to stay down, Kinesis. You want it to stay down, and it won't stay down because it keeps coming after you, and it's just oh.
I don't even know if
How did that not kill you?
I don't
Look
know.
at your freaking
Who
out.
cares?
How did that not
That's
kill
a
you?
fire.
Oh my god.
I am fire.
I am so mad right now. How did that not kill you? You were submerged in that, and that barely even took one bar off your health.
Oh, psycho. Now what? Clear the obstacles of gears. Hey, let me take my helmet off. I can't see.
Right.
Military ordnance. I'm gonna try and clear it.
Oh.
Explosive. Oh God, be careful, Isaac.
Maybe something a bit more long range should be a better idea. As in, step back.
Oh. Maybe spaces.
Try it. I think you missed. There you go.
I don't.
Can you kinesis it?
I tried.
Oh, duh. Heavy guns.
Yeah, makes more sense.
Much more sense.
What in the world? What?
Why can you not use that?
What the heck?
Oh.
Oh. I just kind of hovered on, you know.
Mhm.
So I just. Oh, you know.
Oh, you guys came at a very fine
the
time.
regen thing got obliterated.
I'm clearing them as fast as I can.
But they just keep getting jammed again. Also, even the regens are just getting owned right now.
Yeah.
Like, they are getting all of the wrecks.
How many? Can you give me a numbers?
Oh God, it's another final countdown. Isaac.
It's the final countdown. I'm not in the mood.
Guys, stop.
Oh my.
Oh my god.
I mean, I hope there is a point to this.
Plan B, plan B, plan B.
Like, curl up in a ball and okay.
I guess that works too.
Did it. He did it.
Yay! Now we can date again.
Docking bay ready to receive the shuttle. Isaac.
Critical mass.
When you get back.
Wow, that was annoying.
Right? I wasn't even holding the controller and I was annoyed.
Oh,
Whoopsie.
what in the world?
Did that mine just like come at you, bro?
Yeah.
Holy crap, it did. That's actually kind of funny.
It can't. I didn't even tell it to. And it was like, oh, you challenged me.
You challenged me to a duel. No, no. You are a mine. What are you doing with cards?
Yes. Ooh.
You have activated my trap card. What trap card could you possibly have? Me. Oh. Good trap card. Ah, the docking bay. The perfect landing strip for people. Like
Yes.
Isaac. Specifically Isaac.
Make us more stuff.
Yes. Like Isaac. Specifically Isaac. And
Oh,
seemingly
I'm
nobody else but Isaac.
Fly back up.
Up here.
I don't even know
Woo!
what.
Rawr.
So, how's the shuttle looking?
Ah, there it is.
More than plating. It's missing the port engine.
There's a small wreck near the Greeley. It could be a shuttle.
Sounds like Halo music.
Rosen, lock, suit up. You're on engine duty.
But sir, my legs...
Yeah, I'm not asking you to do jumping jacks. Now get moving.
What?
Alright. Whatever.
Hey, if Isaac can handle 50 regen necromorphs and he's insane.
Right? He has literally lost his marbles after the first game.
Why are you complaining about your leg?
You don't get to complain. But my leg!
My leg!
He's not asking you. He's not asking you to do jumping jacks.
Yeah. Carl, I'm not asking you to do. Wait, Carl. Who's that? I don't know, Carl. I don't know, Carl. See.
I don't know who Carl is. I just want to go home.
Literally, I would just love it if we could just
Skip this nightmare.
end the damage. I'm gonna save my stuff. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Damage with my kinesis sounds wonderful. You know, impaling and stuff. Why use my weapons? I have kinesis.
Right? Loading in progress.
Yeah, let's load.
The door is opening in progress. Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna call BS and say that you're not actually having that many mechanisms to where you actually need to take this long to open a freaking door.
Yeah, right.
And everyone else is dead for that matter. Where else does this elevator need to be?
Where do I need to go? Whoops. Cover. Okay, I did that. Cover the engine for the crows are. I don't even. Where? What? I'm confused. Yeah, let me go to 3. Where's my
Elevator
butler?
music.
And my elevator butler guy.
Your elevator butler.
So, would you like a glass of champagne while you're waiting?
Careful what you ask for. Carl might pop in through the roof.
Oh,
Would you
yeah.
like a nice tall glass of death?
Why am I supposed to be here? I knew something was confusing.
Something didn't quite fit here. Oh crap. I went over my limit.
Again?
Sort of. I meant to stop it at 10 minutes. I'm at 20.
Hmm.
Well, stop, pause since we're in the elevator.